Many people still believe that the best way to preserve food is to put it in the refrigerator. And this may be true for most ingredients, but in some cases, the fridge is completely contraindicated. It has been proven that some products spoil if stored in the refrigerator. We will show you 5 products that most people keep in the refrigerators but should not. Garlic should not be stored in the refrigerator. Low temperatures can harm this seasoning, making it useless. After buying garlic, remove it from the packaging and store it in a dry, cool place. Potatoes, another product that should not be stored in the refrigerator. Cooling causes starch to turn into sugar, changing the taste and color of the food. Store potatoes in a cool, dark place. Onions cannot tolerate cold and humidity, so they should be stored in a cool, well-ventilated place. Otherwise, they begin to sprout and decompose faster. Another seasoning that should not be in your refrigerator is basil, which can develop dark spots. It's better to store it at room temperature. The last item on our list is tomatoes, which should be kept away from the refrigerator. When stored in the refrigerator, tomatoes break down sugars, acids, and aromatic compounds that define their taste. Cold also damages the cell structure of tomatoes, giving them an unpleasant texture.